Hi everyone, this is Selina. I hope you're well. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, my name's Selina and welcome. I release a crochet related video and tutorials weekly. So today I wanted to bring to you a very quick and easy tutorial for a velvet scrunchie. This is the white one that I've just made. And for this tutorial you will need a 6mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle and a very simple elastic. So I've got this one, and I will be using Bernat Velvet, which is considered a chunky yarn. It's actually a really big ball of yarn. And it's super soft. It's 100% polyester. I think this calls, it's a bulky yarn, sorry. Number 5 in American terms. And it requires a 6.5mm hook, but we are, like I said, going to be using the 6mm hook. And this is one that I made in white. I will be linking everything in the down bar, and also I will be popping the free pattern on my blog, selinaveronique.com, so don't forget to go there for extra pictures and for the free pattern. I will be using US terms. So to begin, you will be taking your yarn and your elastic, and you will be securing the yarn onto the elastic. Once you've tied your yarn onto the elastic, you will simply take your hook, pop it through the elastic, take your yarn, pull it up and chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And what we will be doing now is placing a double crochet next to that. So just wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the elastic, pull your yarn, pull it up and go through 2 loops. You have 2 loops left on your hook and go through 2 more loops. And this is your first double crochet. And you will be placing all your double crochets within this circle. So we will be working into the circle. So wrap your yarn around your hook and go through and take your yarn, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops again. And I'm just going to let you carry on popping your double crochets all along, and I'll show you what to do next. So I've popped a few double crochets onto this project, and what we are going to be doing is, like you've just seen me do, kind of scrunching these double crochets together, just so that we can pop more on, and it does give that frilly effect that we're looking for. So just scrunch up your double crochets as you go along, and just decide how many double crochets you want, on how frilly you want your scrunchie to be. And so there's no specific amount of double crochets to put onto this project, just play it by ear and on how many you want yourself. I'll just let you carry on and I'll meet you back to show you how to fasten off. So I'm back and I've popped lots of double crochets onto my elastic band. As you can see, I love the frilly effect of it. And yes, so what I'm going to be doing now is I've popped my last double crochet onto my project, and I will simply be slip stitching through the 3rd chain that I did earlier. So just pop your hook through directly, take your yarn, pull it through that loop and then through this loop and fasten off. So just snip off your yarn with your scissors and pull through that loop. And you need to tidy up your loose end. I will be linking the video that I made on how to tidy up your loose ends. And there you go. That's a scrunchie. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. I truly appreciate it. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you love crochet. And see you next week. Bye bye.